Okay, I just heard the cutest thing in the world, and I just gotta tell someone, please ignore the fact that I look like shit right now. But I run by this elderly couple every single morning coming back from the gym, okay? They are walking their dogs, the cutest little dogs in the world, and I saw that one of their dogs had the cone shame on this morning, and I asked, what's wrong? He's fine, by the way. He just had a little UTI. But I started talking to them about their life and all that, and I asked how long they've been together, because I love stuff like that. And they said, oh, about 5 years. And I go, like, wow, that's kind of crazy. Turns out they dated 70 years ago in high school, but she moved away because of her family, and they got married, they had kids, and they had their whole lives together. But both their spouses died. And when that happened, they both moved back to their hometown where I live right now, and they bumped into each other at a restaurant, and they said it was fate, and they fell in love again after 70 years. Fuck, that is so cute. It's that in every life, every version of us is why I wrote this song.
What if I never met you? What if I never held you? What if I never knew what it felt